Bonjour mes amis. Hi friends. My name is Pushkar Roy, your French teacher. Today we are going to learn the days of the week, les jours de la semaine. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Okay, shall we repeat them? Okay, we are repeating them. Écoutez bien et répétez. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Try to recognize the days. Jeudi, jeudi means take your time. Jeudi means Thursday. Jeudi means Thursday. Lundi, lundi means Monday. Lundi means Monday. Mercredi, mercredi means Wednesday. Wednesday. Yes. Now try to recognize in the list which day is missing. Lundi, mardi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Which day is missing? Which day is missing over here? Okay. The missing day is mercredi. Yes. Now, one more time. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Now, which day is missing in this list? Jeudi is missing in this list. Now let us learn how to ask about the date in French. Quel jour sommes-nous? Nous sommes le samedi 20 janvier. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share